Hello and welcome back to Leander98 channel. Today we are going to be doing front door and hopefully front fenders, so we can get the Celica rolled up. I got 9 days left of my free trial, so I want to use them all. So yep, we're going to get the door and the front fender done. Should be pretty quick here as well. Here's a look at what we got done so far. Looks good. So now, let us begin. So basically, we're just going to want to drag. What we're going to do is we're going to do 2 drags of this. One to about the middle point, flatten it out. And then we're going to do a second one, except obviously I have my point right here already. So we're going to get rid of top portion there, and then we'll spawn that in when all needed. So drag that straight across. We'll flatten it now. As we can see, some stuff does get brought down, so I'm going to need to find a spot about right here and scale it downward. And inch that up a little. Sorry there. Okay, let's see. Yeah, the car definitely gets skinnier around here. Woo! I just ate, and I am having an existential amount of, what's the word? Indigestion, yes. Very good food, though. But, body's struggling to get it down. Okay, so, our second drag right there. Line this up with a line. Yeah, best safe to do it one by one here. Look at the top view. It's almost looking like it's at least starting to come back over here. And then do what we did the one time, select that, B and drag. And there we go, we got that. Yeah, this car has way too many of these lines for my liking right now. So then we're going to do the same thing for here and here. Oh boy. Drag this straight across. Check our width. Starting to bubble out. Actually, almost looks like that we're supposed to... Yeah. Well, I guess because that's here, I can drag this out. How do I want to do that? Because it's not just flat like that. Maybe we will come up like this. Yeah, because that works very well right there. And then we'll do it one more time. Get this. Now we can click on that. And then we're going to meet up with our wheel well here. Yeah, safe about right there. Now just remember that this is starting to, the farther we go out, the more that this up top here is starting to decline. So maybe safe right here. We'll bring this out here as well. We got to fill that in. All right. Start to use the... Oh boy, I'm really coughing, aren't I? That. Then we're going to scale Z this. Bring that up. Actually, even this should be brought up quite a bit because I want to make sure that I got my wheel well room for the RC cars. Now there is something we need to do about that. This split right here. Maybe this needs to come over here. Now, is that line going to... It's supposed to go into the corner of that. So it would actually be this line here. I think we can make it work out to where that line will then start to merge, because then this gets really skinny over here. We shall figure this out at some point. Again, scale Y. And as this is starting to come down, scale Z so that we can make it smaller. That's starting to curve in. No need for scaling that time around. Whoops, why does that keep happening? Alright, it's going to start getting compressed in here. Actually, now that keeps breaking away more. There we go. So I got my line going into that now. Now it's just a matter of filling this in. Obviously, we're going to have to probably triangulate that right there. Shouldn't be too much of a problem. Right here. Now, I don't want it to go into the bumper line just yet. And then that blends up to the bumper, so... Ooh, very loud BMW next to me. come down over here. Trying to smoothen this out a little. It's probably because of the dip it takes right here. So yeah, then we'll move that up like that so it takes less of a dip. Now the thing is, do we want to start from here or here? We're probably going to start here. Start here, and then we'll do some triangulating right here so then we can get that to fit. Yeah, it's going to look pretty glaring right there for a while until I can get that done, but we will in just a second. Now this is going to be a problem, well, at least not at the moment, but later on when we're getting this printed. Starting to get it printed, I should say. Oh, there's an Audi. Alright, then we will triangulate that. There we go. Now we'll get into being able to carving out the lines for the door and all the other fenders in a bit. But I think at this point, because we're at where we are, we're going to just finish up the side skirt. So, whoops, that's the shift key. Now it looks like it does kind of boop out a little. And then straight down. Now I gotta make sure it's level perfect with the Z-axis, even though it's then gonna curve back in and then down just a hair. That's something so I can have for later. But alright, we got this made. Got our door piece and our fender. So put it on smooth. Looks good. It'll look a lot better once we subdivision it, but that's for a while. So alright, hope you guys like the video, are following along easily. If you like it, hit the like button, and if you're new, subscribe for more car content. Hopefully I'll get some actual video of what these look like after I'm done with them in Blender. I've yet to show you guys, so I'll see you in the next one. Bye!